Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Smart Obstacle Avoidance on DJI ROMO. To do it, click on the settings in the top right corner and go to Obstacle Avoidance Settings. Now you can enable or disable Smart Obstacle Avoidance. Disabling it will make your robot not identify obstacles with the cameras and all the IR systems. Instead of that, it will just start cleaning, and the only way it avoids obstacles is when the bumper actually hits an object or a wall or something like that. But besides that, it will not avoid, and when it's enabled, then it will avoid the obstacle avoidance, and you can change the obstacle avoidance preference to cleaning priority, so it'll still not really avoid small objects or floors with complex textures, and will attempt to enter under low furniture. Then standard will intelligently bypass some obstacles, balancing safety and cleaning coverage, and obstacle avoidance priority will avoid more small objects and won't enter under low furniture, which improves the safety, but of course may have a less clean coverage, so it's up to you. And also you can enable obstacle on-site photo, which will automatically take photos of obstacles it finds. So you just know that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.